What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the all-new Philips electronic deadbolt lock. This door lock allows quick and easy access without a key, and you can even generate one-time passcodes for friends, family, and postal workers. Big shout outs to Philips for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Setting up the Philips electronic deadbolt lock was simple and pain-free. All I needed was a screwdriver and about 10 minutes of my time to get everything installed. This is so easy to install that I'm confident that anybody can do it. The first setup was also a breeze. The manual has a step-by-step process on how to activate your master pin, followed by how to add pins to the lock. The setup process is guided by a voice guide, so you don't even really have to look at the manual. I was able to get my family's personal pin codes programmed into the lock in just a few minutes. And I really love the keyless aspect of this lock from Philips. Using a lock without a key is just so much more hassle-free. I just prefer entering in the passcode. With keyless locks, you don't have to worry about locking yourself out of the house because you're not having to keep up with keys. And if you had a rental property or an Airbnb or something like that, you don't have to worry about keeping up with loaner keys, which really makes this an attractive lock. You can even program an auto lock feature so that the door will lock behind you so that you never forget to lock your door. If you prefer the manual lock, all you have to do is press a number and hold it for a few seconds and it will lock behind you. The standout feature here is actually a bit mind-blowing. So this has no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection, which means you don't have to keep up with a Wi-Fi bridge or be close enough to the lock to actually share passcodes. If you want to share a passcode, you can generate a one-time use passcode for friends, family, and even like your postal worker through the Philips Home Access app. Once you generate the pin, there's an easy share button so you can quickly text this to somebody who needs it. And after they've used the pin code once, it is no longer able to be used. This is the first electronic door lock without Wi-Fi or Bluetooth that I've ever seen to be able to generate random passcodes to share with others. I think it's a really neat feature. This features ultra long battery life. You're going to be able to get up to 1 full year out of 4 AA batteries. The lock will notify you when the battery is running low to prevent lockouts. If for some reason the battery is allowed to drain all the way, there is a USB-C port on the outside unit of the lock. If you've got a backup battery or something like that, you can provide enough power to get into your property. And I personally just love the sleek and modern design of this electronic door lock. It does come in a few different finishes. I actually really like the black finish that's here. It's pretty streamlined, it's not too bulky, and it looks pretty good on any door. Overall, the Philips electronic deadbolt lock is very easy to install, has a sleek and modern design, has ultra long lasting battery life, and is very easy to program and even generate one-time use codes for family, friends, and mail carriers. If you're looking for a lock for your rental property or Airbnb, or just want to be able to give access to the mail carrier, this is definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick one up for yourself today. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.